5 ears foldable mini fan. Some of it brings you refreshment. Multiple color schemes to choose from. Office tailor. 5-speed adjustable small fan to cool you down. Pluggable base allows you to free your hands. At the same time, it can also be used as a mobile phone. Let you relax while sleeping. Foldable design allows you to enjoy coolness anytime, anywhere. Small body makes it easy for you to carry. Let you enjoy the cool natural wind outdoors. Neck design makes it easy to carry. Enjoy the cool breeze while walking. At the same time, we have USB charging function. Solve your stuffy problem. 5 ears foldable mini fan.